Hello students, it's me again and we're going to have another short class, but in this video we're going to talk about the cell. So do you have any idea what is the cell? It's not this guy from Dragon Ball Z. Anyway, the cell is very simple, and guess what? Everybody is composed by many of them, many cells. Every single living being is composed, or it is made of many cells. So your skin, it's made by many cells, million, trillions, or cells. So we're going to be learning about that today. This is like an introduction to cells, okay? Because we're not going to cover everything because it's a very extensive topic. But anyway, we're going to learn some general terms about the cell. So first, what you need to know about the cell is that we have two different types. And we have the plant cell, okay, the plant cell. And also we have animal cell, which is the one that we have because we're not animals, but we have that kind of. So what are plant cells and what are animal cells? So we're going to study the difference of them in another video. So today we're going to learn the three vital functions that they have. Okay, what are the three vital functions? So we're going to learn that, but before I have a short definition of what is a cell. So a cell, it's the smallest, okay, it's a very, very tiny, okay, thing. So part that composes, as I mentioned before, any living organism. All right, some organisms are unicellular, so uni mean one, so if you didn't know that, and others are multicellular. It's because they have more than one. Now that's basically the definition for cell. Now, what are those three vital functions that I told you? Number one is nutrition. Nutrition is very important. So it consists of taking in matter and energy. So basically that's what it happened. In order to grow, survive, and reproduce, all right? They are like a little it's part of an organism, but they act like a little organism, all right? And then we have relation or interaction. In another book, maybe you will find interaction, all right? But relation is the ability to perceive what is going on in the environment, and do that, you are going to respond, all right? You're going to have a response, all right, to what is happening around you, all right? And cells have that little part. And then we have reproduction too. That's another vital function of a cell. The ability to produce living beings similar to the parental organism. So let's say you cut yourself, you are preparing a delicious meal, something like that. You're cutting something, or let's say peeling something, and then suddenly you cut yourself, okay, and then you're bleeding a lot. So what do you think it happens? So you're going to be recovered in some days. So reproduction of new cells, and that's why we are able to heal, okay? Heal, what is it? Heals. All right, guys, that is a little bit of the cells, all right? A little of the introduction that I have for you in this video. So try to keep this in your mind. So every living being and every cell in the multicellular living being is able to carry to carry out these three vital functions. So that's pretty much for today's video, guys. So we will see you in another video probably. All right, take care.